In this multiple choice question, from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct hormone having endocrine and neural activity. For this, let me ignore the wrong option to specify the correct option. Calcitonin, cortisol, and melatonin are not a neurotransmitter like epinephrine. Epinephrine is showing the dual behavior, in the sense it is acting as a hormone and also as a neurotransmitter. It is facilitating many physiological events. In this regard, we are specifying epinephrine is a molecule having both endocrine and neurotransmitter function. So we are choosing option B as a correct answer to secure 4 mark after avoiding option A, C and D. What are the points we told with this pictorial representation? We are giving us a sentence-wise narration to take the neat notes. Epinephrine is formed by the adrenal medulla. Epinephrine is also called as adrenaline hormone. This epinephrine hormone act as a neurotransmitter as well as endocrine hormone. Cortisol is a steroid hormone. In the glucocorticoid class of hormone, this hormone is playing a crucial role in maintaining the lipid metabolism. Melatonin is a hormone primarily released by the pineal gland that regulates the sleep-wake cycle. Calcitonin is a hormone that is produced in human by the follicular cells of the thyroid gland. With this specification, we are choosing option B as a correct answer to secure 4 mark after ignoring option A, C and D.